In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down tap on Advanced Features over here and select One-Handed Mode. Finally, tap on this gray sweater at the top and pick the best method to reduce display size with by choosing one of those options, gesture or button. Then follow all of the instructions below it. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to rescale it, you can do that by holding one of its corners and dragging it. You can also change placement of it by tapping on this icon next to one of its sides, or holding this line at the top and dragging it. If you wish to go back, tap on this blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, select the same No Blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!